Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the Pinterest app and tap the camera icon in the search bar to start scanning right away. Give the app camera permission if prompted so the scanner can access the lens. Then, position the rear camera about 6 to 12 inches from the code, center it in the frame and hold steady. This reduces blur and speeds recognition. Once the code comes into view, the scanner will autofocus and attempt to read automatically, so don't move until you see the confirmation. Once the scanner detects the code, you'll see a small preview or prompt on screen. Tap that to open the destination. You may be routed to a PIN, profile, or external URL. Make sure to inspect the preview so you know where you're going. If Pinterest asks you to sign in, do so to access full features, or choose to open the link in your browser for more control. Make sure to read the preview text and destination before tapping again to confirm navigation. After opening the scanned content, you can save the pin to a board, follow the profile, or use the share menu to send the link. Long press the preview to copy the URL or choose Open in browser if you prefer external control. If the scanner doesn't read the code, clean the camera lens, increase lighting, update the Pinterest app, and verify camera permissions. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes most failures and gets you scanning again quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.